Hello guys, this is Sebastian with Trade Daily. What's up? Giving you guys the update on my master account, funded account on the Funny Pips 5K account. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was having a really rough time trading with this account, with my futures account. It was just pretty bad. I blew one into the funded account on Top Step, but really close to passing 5 accounts right now, so that's really good. I have about 5 accounts that are super close, only like $40 away from passing on my Top Step account. We can just jump to that real quick. It's pretty nice, really good. Getting very intimate, very intimate, guys, with gold. That's what I've been purely trading mostly. Having very good profits, as you can tell right over here. We can just pull this. Sorry about that, guys. We can just drag this around. You guys can kind of see my accounts. I just need $3,000 to pass this futures prop firm, and all these accounts are extremely close to passing right now. All 5 of these accounts. So we'll probably trade one of these just to get them passed a little bit later. I'm not gonna really put a whole bunch of focus right now. I'm only putting a lot of focus on my accounts that are funded, which is my Funny Pips. So had a rough time, lost. I was actually up pretty well, a good amount actually. Not even today. Let's just go to the weekly here. We kind of had a little bump. So we came. I think we were I think this might go into monthly. Let's go to the monthly. Yeah, it's there we go. So I had this up to like about the same point here at 5.4. Sorry. Came to 5,000. Shot it all the way up here. Kind of stalled. Started coming back up again. Stalled a little bit. And then spiked up. Started making a lot of profits. And then just all of a sudden, just big drops. Just kept dropping. Went flat because I was just like, I need to take some time to evaluate my stuff, my trading. And then I just like got worse and then stalled it again. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? Stalled. And And then I was just like, I need to learn something new or something, or need to improve. Where do I need to improve at? Writing down in my journal, writing down in my trading journal, and saying what do I need to do to get back up to the top again, back to the top where I need to be at. So have this balance at 5,402.24, and now I am at 5,402.14, almost a little bit, almost up a little bit. You definitely can make some more. I know we can, but not gonna push it for today. Made quite a bit of money. We'll jump into the account and show you how much I made today. And I actually traded last night too as well on the Asian session, and traded a little bit in the New York session. But yeah, so even with all this, this crazy going on right now, I still got a win rate of 85.5%, which is very astonishing. And you can see my 3 days right here. Really did really well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I started learning. So basically, I was mainly in the futures too. So I was just like losing trades, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I need to learn something new. I need to figure out where am I losing. And I started just diving into supply and demand is what I started to learn. Supply and demand trading. And I'll break it down to you guys in the next video. But what I do to make the supply and demand, even like I would say 85%, because I'm just based off my win percentage, that is 85% bulletproof. 90% might even be 100%. I don't know. I think it's really strong and powerful. And we can even go to my dashboard on my Top Step dashboard and I can show you guys my percentages are like 90% win rate on it, on my futures prop firm. But right now we're just going to focus on Funny Pips. This is all about the Funny Pips account, and this is like where you can see where I just like had some slump, but then I started like, you know what, I need to start learning a new strategy, learn something that's actually, or that's really going to work. And basically, so I guess I'll just say it. Basically, supply and demand trading is what I mainly do, but I am doing what's also called volume profile. I am figuring out the supply and demand areas based off volume, and now it is showing that this is a very profitable strategy for me. I mean, it's unbelievable, like how, like, from this point I started just going, you know what, started doing the same thing that I did with my other accounts of my TopStep account right here. I'm gonna apply that on my Funny Pips account, and you can see the results. Look at guys, this is unbelievable. Like, look at this big huge shot right here. That's amazing. I mean, one day I never have ever, I will tell you guys, like, and not in a Funny account, but like evals are like evaluations or like practice, or not practice accounts, but you know, like challenge accounts that are this like, or phase accounts, whatever you want to call them, phase 1, phase 2 accounts, right? Like, I would hit those numbers. Sure, I would hit those numbers on those accounts, but on a funded account, I would not be hitting this number right here. I mean, that's actually 2 altogether of days of actually technically, really, because if we go into, let's go to the Funny Pips. Let's go to this account. Look how much I made right here. $515.40, guys. That's insane. I've never made that. That's pretty impressive on a what do you call it? Sorry. Let's think of, what's the name? What the heck? On a 5K account, sorry. On a 5K account, I just like, I could have probably maybe pushed even more to make even like $100. You know, like, sorry, another $500 probably. It's like insane. You know, absolutely amazing, guys. It's just mind-blowing to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Gotta wait till Tuesday for a payout if I want to get a payout on this account. I probably won't. Maybe might get a payout on it on Tuesday, or I just might continue to trade it and see how much profit I can make. And technically, right now it's like kind of like a little bit late for me to start taking more trades. This is like, typically I don't like taking trades in the New York session at this time right now. This is, the volatility is not there. There's still some volume, obviously, but I'm not gonna just like even try to jump into all of this. The more the moves, the better moves. If you're gonna trade gold, is Asian session, from Asian session and London session is the best, to my opinion. Pretty much, you're like, if you're in the London session, you pretty much will figure out. You'll figure out what gold is gonna do. And basically, I mean, I literally shorted this guy, is like about right. I think about right here. Yeah, I shorted it like right here. Oh no, actually, sorry, I did not short that. I did not. I shorted it right here. Sorry, I shorted gold right here, and I rode this thing on down pretty far throughout the night, and that's how I got that $500. And that's how I made close. Why does it say 326? That's weird. Not saying it's like I made like 326. What the heck? I didn't even make $300. It gets a little glitchy though. It does get a little glitchy. Well, I guess I made $326. I guess, I don't know. Oh yeah, I made $326.50. That makes sense because it lines up with that lines up with about this much right here, or what I made right here. Pretty much. Okay. Oh yeah, it lines up. Okay. So anyways, but yeah, you guys can see this, like how I pushed all the way up. That's insane. I love that. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Keep you guys posted on this Funding Pips account, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.